Hello everyone, welcome back to Territorial.io. Today we're playing on the Island Kingdom, a new map. Yeah, there's been an update, and a pretty big one too. Let's just try to spawn over here. This seems like a god spawner. Why not spawn over here? Okay, it's a great spawn. So yeah, let me tell you about the update while playing the game. The emojis have been changed. Right here, as you can see, these are all the new emojis. I like them. I think it fits the game better, and it's really great. Although they're different on like Android and Apple and all that stuff. So and iOS. So yeah, a lot of people hate the update. They want to revert it. I think it's an alright update. It's a really buggy update. I'll give him that. I think this update needs to be worked on, especially the boats. They changed the boats. The boats are now just horrible. If you want a boat on land, you're gonna have a rough time, especially on mobile. Yeah, but I still like the update, especially the emojis, and the new map is pretty cool. It's chaotic. It's a lot of islands, and it just seems pretty fun. It's not gonna be a popular one because it's not geographical. So yeah, I think it's not. Yeah, see, this one only has like 24 players, now 21. But yeah, I like this map. And yeah, the creators taking risks and actually updating the game, even though the people don't want it. And I like that he's taking these risks. But yeah, he just needs to fix a few of the things, and I think this will be a pretty good update. And yeah, and also now all flags of the world are available. And don't please boat into me. Hello. Okay. Yeah, so all flags of the world are available now, and yeah, you just have to select them in the menu. Oh, come on, I'm gonna get... Why? Why is he boating? Okay, bro. Literally... Oh, these corgis gonna gang up on me, aren't they? Like, why is he attacking me? I'm not even a great target. I'm bigger than him, literally. Well, I'm now down to 4th place because of that. Yeah. Yeah, there are not a lot of islands I can take, because they've already been taken, Yeah, all the small ones even, have been even taken, so yeah. I will go over here, I guess. Unless someone else boats there. Okay. So now I have to click it like this, and send it over here like that. That's the new voting. You can learn it probably, but it sucks. Who is attacking me? Costa Rica just pushed me off my island. Okay, great. I think Corgi Guardian is gonna be my next target if this guy truces up and like attacks Gravestone. Okay, well, why? What is up with all these weird people like attacking me when I have more troops than him? Why do you have a lot of idiots here? Okay, well, let's just get Gravestone then. He left him game a bot, he's weak, and everybody's attacking him, so why not attack him as well? I mean, I'm in 3rd. I'm doing right. But I need to secure truce with this guy. Guardian is taking a lot of land. Wait, it's my opportunity. I need to take a risk, even though this guy hasn't truced up. This guy's gonna get so big, and I can get so much land off of him, that it's just gonna be insane. And this guy's gonna vote into me again, isn't he? Bro. Why? What is his obsession with just attacking me? I don't understand it, but well, I'll just try to crush Guardian, however. It's still a great play, I'm still in 3rd. As he broke it. Can you just stop being an idiot? Like... I'm still gonna attack him. This is like kind of a 2v1, and I think I'm actually winning it, so... Yeah, I'll have to deal with this idiot later. And yeah, he's getting attacked. Let's go, Karma. And he's still attacking me. Let me guess. Yeah, he's still attacking me. Wow. I think that's really just personal. I never attacked him once. Then yeah, he's just doing that. But I'm getting a lot of land over here in the south. So yeah, even though he's attacking me, I just gotta ignore it. this is the land that is worth it, and yeah. This guy definitely tried to overextend and just get away with it, but not when I'm here. As yeah, hopefully Bob will, I mean, Bob is next on the chopping block, so he probably won't help me. Unless he doesn't realize it. He's not even expanding. Well, let's just get Guardian. Give him a GG. Here. And Bob is attacking me, makes sense, but he's gonna go down next anyway, so that's not really gonna help him. As yeah, he's out of this one. As I'm gonna probably take the crown. As this guy's dead. Holy crap, I missed this. It's alright though. Ooh, this bot kicked this guy off. Wait, can I just boat over there now? That'd be great. Okay. He wants me to go for I don't know what. Oh, he's attacking this guy? Sure, actually I agree. Yeah, this is looking like a great match so far. As this guy, yeah, is mad at him because he attacked first. Yeah, this guy, just yeah, help me out, help me clear out this guy. That's pretty good. And so, he's attacking me. Well, yeah, let's just accept all the alliances. I have a really good position. Okay, well, this guy's boating in here. I don't like that. Could you just not? Yeah, great. And now just get back, please. Boat. Okay. Azerbaijan is just completely lost all his troops. Let's just go in after him. Nepal is my biggest threat. They're here. Oh, he's trying to counter my boat. Not really working. As he's just wasting his troops, and I'm gonna get on there anyway. So yeah, let's just spam attack. Yes, that's good enough. As now I'll just take him out and secure an even better position for me. Yeah, this is the end of him. Yeah, it looks pretty chaotic when I'm playing this, so I don't think it's the best video footage here, but hopefully it is, because I like these chaotic, weird maps. It just brings a lot of randomness to the game, which I like. And yeah, Azerbaijan is now dead. I'm definitely going for peace with this guy if he wants a non-aggression pact. Okay, everybody wants a team. Okay. And let's just grab a few of these bigger islands. And see what we can do from here. Nepal, the number 2 wants a non-aggression pact. Sure. I'll just take a few of these islands. I have 42% of the land. I think I've won. But I'm not entirely sure yet, because someone could catch up, you know, like Nepal. Nepal is far behind for now, but... Oh, no, you're not taking my buddy. You're not taking my buddy. Yeah. Don't worry. I'll help you. Yeah. He's not... I know he asked for a truce with me, but no. This guy has been my ally. He's my buddy. Okay, you're doing the same? Okay. Well, then you're next. Like this. And I've won the game at this point, by the way. They cannot really do anything. I'm not quite at my red interest yet. Even if they start ganging up on me right now, it's over. I don't know who this player guy is. Probably some boy on an island, but... Yeah, Nepal just used all his troops on me. So he's gonna fall. As I'm just gonna get my bows ready. I said get my bows ready? Who's blue? I don't care. Player 10, how could you? I was gonna have peace with him. Well, turns out I don't have any friends here. Okay, lovely. But it's over for him too then. If he chose to die, so... Yeah, I'm gonna give him a heartbroken though. Come on, I thought we were buddies. Well, okay, let's just get the rest of these islands here. And get this as well. And this, please. Yes. And this is just barely visible. I mean, I just threw stuff with this guy, but I don't really care at this point. Just get this. Help. He's doing the help emoji. No, I'm sorry. But GG's, GG. I want to clear the board. As yeah, let's just give the collapse up, you know. Oh, it's not over yet. Oh, this guy's still alive here. Well, yeah. And that's a nice little game. Wow. Like the update. And also, yeah, they changed the UI by the way. Everything's now pixel art, which I I don't know if I like it. Some people hate it. Some people think it's okay. I personally think it's a bit wonky and just looks like it's drawn by a 4-year-old. But it could work out okay. I don't know. It looks a bit maybe fancy. I don't know. Let me know. Yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. You'll love to see this update and this win in this new map. Bye.